Hi guys, it's your girl Asia. I'm back with another video. So today is my special day. Today is basically the day that I'm going to get my PlayStation, and it's Thanksgiving. I should be uploading a video on this look, but then again, it depends on what I'm gonna do. Right now I'm in the storage aisle because my grandmother asked me to look for something in the storage aisle. But your girl getting her PlayStation, and she's not leaving this Walmart till she gets her PlayStation. So that's what's gonna happen. So basically they told me that that the PlayStations are gonna be in a grocery center. Now that's slick. That's real slick because like when you think about it, the PlayStations are supposed to be in the electronics aisle, but since it's Black Friday, they being slick. I'm gonna get my PlayStation. I'm here in line. Okay, so it's like 5 o'clock now, and like they brought the PlayStations, right? So it's when they brought the PlayStations, there's like 105 PlayStations, and they talking about I want someone. They lied to us, y'all. They lied to us. So I'm guaranteed to get a PlayStation too. I'm guaranteed to get a PlayStation. I'm excited. Okay, guys, so they're giving out the PlayStations right now, like it's Christmas. I'm excited. Okay, guys, so I got my little PlayStation right here. Excited, real excited. About to be playing this when I get home. Trust and believe me. So let's get ready.
Where y'all get the PlayStation from?
Okay, guys, so I got it. I finally got it. I'm about to hook it up. About to play it. Oh, it's my baby. And I'm happy. I'm real happy. I'm real happy. So I got the Wanted by Spider-Man. And like, we about to play it. We about to play it. I'll show y'all. It's been a while. Alright, bye. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. That's what it looks like. How do you open this? Okay. Yes. Okay, so you open it from this side, I guess. Oh my god. I'm so happy. They got a little headset bag. They got a controller. More cords. And last but not least, the guide and the PlayStation. That's the end of my unboxing.